Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video, I am going to be redoing my coffee bar, and this coffee bar is looking a little rough and does not have any sense of direction. So my inspiration for this coffee bar is to make it like 70s, early 60s type of style. So I want to start with my color palettes and a prints that I'm like wanting to add to this coffee bar, and I do currently have everything. So I just want to show you guys like what I was wanting for this coffee bar and what I want to add and implement to, like, as far as like the colors and like the elements and all that. So these are the colors I really wanted to go for. So it's like the brown shades, the oranges, the yellows. It's more like the mustard yellow, almost like a dirty yellow. That's what I think of, like, oh, it looks dirty, cheesy yellow, but I like it. It's kind of fun. And then I like the green, which I don't think I have anything green with my coffee bar, but I will find something. I don't know what, but I'm gonna figure out something. And then this print right here, I really love this print, but I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Temu. They had this really pretty have that I currently have right now. Is this really beautiful print, and I will show you guys right here. I love the color scheme. It's got like the oranges, the browns, and I think it's got a little bit of hint of green. So it's really neat. And also I will show you guys like what else I got with my coffee bar, and some of it's from Target, some of it's from Shein, I think. So I don't remember what I got, but I will show you guys in a couple of minutes. And then now I want to explain my coffee bar currently and like why I want to change it, because this coffee bar looks a little rough. So I'm gonna explain. So here's the picture. So right now, as you can see, it's just literally a load of just random crap all over it. As you can tell, of like the 70s. It's got like the wicker rattan cabinet that is very 70s. This is the beautiful bamboo arch shelf, and I love the shelf. I bought 3 of them because I'm obsessed with them. And then I got this really nice shelf here from Amazon, and then I have like a random Christmas tree which I've had up there since like last year. And yeah, just as you can see, I just got a bunch of buttload of crap, and I need to really separate and clean and refresh this area. So as you can tell, it needs a little makeover, and we're gonna make it into a beautiful, happy makeover. So here we go. forgot to show you guys this earlier, but I got 2 little vases. They're so cute. They're from Target. They're only $10. A little bit here. Or this. Fitting. So I'm probably gonna put it right here. Don't want to put this. Okay, so I don't know if you guys remember this. I don't know if I want to put this on here because there's just not a lot of space. Yeah, I could put it right there. That would be kind of cute, but actually this is not a bad idea. Maybe I could put it, kind of sticks out a little bit. So maybe not. And I thought about even putting it right there, but again, I don't know. I mean, I have some tea. I'm just gonna leave it maybe in the coffee cabinet. This right here, kind of cute. Kind of works well right next to it. Put here, right in the. Now I'm gonna open this cute little. So cute! Oh my gosh, so adorable. And I'm just gonna put that right there. Okay, so I have more of these little trinkets and I want to figure out where to put them. They're just like these little glasses. They're so cute. And then this little espresso cup, again for decoration purposes. And I actually use these, so these will be perfect for my little trinkets. So I want to at least leave like a spoon right here so I can mix my stuff there. So I do like to put these up here. I think it's really cute. Adds a little touch. Now we'll just put that up there. Like that. And then I'll put this little hot stuff maybe like right here. Or maybe up here. I think it would be cute. Yeah. Adds a little bit of touch. As you can see. So cute. And sometimes I do drink blooms, so I'm gonna put it next to my ground coffee right here, so at least it's right there, convenient and ready. Okay, so this is the finished product. It looks amazing. I love it. It looks beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I hope you guys like and subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.